Hi, everybody. It's FIBO Group, and you are watching to the Market Watch review. Speaker Pelosi's trip to Taiwan has increased the risk-off mood in today's capital markets. Large Asian-Pacific equities were most heavily sold, with India and Australia notable exceptions. Europe's Stoxx 600 is off again for the second consecutive session. This is the largest since mid-July. The U.S. futures are also less strong. The dollar trades higher against all majors except the Japanese yen, where it is being squeezed. The gold price reached $1,780, the highest level in almost a month. This is the fifth consecutive session of advancing. After dropping 4.8% yesterday, September WTI is still stuck near the bottoms, mostly below $94.00. Asian Pacific market. The U.S. Speaker of Congress will visit Taiwan today, according to reports. President Biden told China's Xi last week that Congress is an independent government branch and that Speaker Pelosi takes her own decisions. Beijing is concerned that the U.S. is unilaterally changing their relationship, and this is not a satisfactory answer. Today marked the fifth consecutive drop in dollar against yen. This move was almost 130.40. The Reserve Bank of Australia announced its third consecutive 50 BP increase, bringing the cash rate up to 1.85%. There is no doubt the RBA will increase its rates further, but Governor Lowe said there wasn't a predetermined path. Yesterday's Australian dollar peak was just shy of $0.7050. The Aussie has risen to $0.6915 due to profit-taking and risk-off moment. Market of Europe. The July manufacturing PMI in Switzerland fell to 58.0 from 59.1. Bloomberg's survey forecast 56.2. Tomorrow is the due date for the July CPI. Last week, the euro plunged to an 8-year low against the franc. Since the mid-June SNB increase, it has fallen by around 7% against franc. Initial gains by the euro reached $1.03, their highest level in almost a month. However, they have reversed their declines. It was close to yesterday's low in early European trade. Sterling trades within yesterday's range. Sterling may not be being sold aggressively ahead of the Thursday Bank of England meeting. Market of America. The U.S. has been harassing OPEC Plus to increase output. Tomorrow's video conference will be held by OPEC Plus to establish the new production limits following today's technical meeting. The U.S. reports July jolts and July automobile sales. Expected job openings to fall, and this seems to be the latest grist to former Treasury Secretary Summers' persistent criticism of Federal Reserve. After falling to its lowest level since June, the greenback rebounded and rose. Today's follow-through buying has pushed the U.S. dollar up to almost CAD 1.2880. That's all for me. Closely monitor the news background and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.